Hi, friends. Have you ever wondered what people use water for? Not just at home, but all across South Africa? Let's explore together how water is used on farms, in factories, mines, and even in power stations. You're going to be amazed. Water isn't just for baths and drinks. It's super important in many places, helping our country work and grow. On farms, water helps plants grow big and strong, feeding all of us. It also gives thirsty animals fresh water to drink. In busy factories, water cools down big machines, cleans everything, and helps make many things we use every day. Deep inside mines, water is used to find valuable minerals. Keep the dust down and make sure the workers have what they need. Water also helps make electricity. Big power stations use water to create energy and keep their parts cool, giving us lights and power. And for fun, we use water for swimming, boating, fishing, and splashing around at water parks. All these different uses show just how much we need water for our country's economy and for all our communities to thrive. Wow! Water really does a lot for our country. From helping with food and electricity to fun places and factories. Remember, water is precious. If we all use it wisely and don't waste, we help our whole community. Thanks for learning with me. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the fun. Our Maori journey has just begun. Stay happy, stay smart, and give a big swirl next time we explore more of our wonderful world.